Okay, going to make an adjustment to this Mazda Miata after we bought new Michelin tires from Mavis in Lilburn, Georgia, and they installed them and they overinflated them to 49 pounds instead of 29 pounds of pressure, and then I decided to check the lug nuts. I couldn't get the first one off. I'll show you. This is only a 100-pound torque wrench, and you see it's maxed out before it starts moving. See what this one is. This one is maxed out and it's breaking my torque wrench. So what I have to do to get this one off is I have to take a bigger wrench, and I still won't be able to move it. So what I have to do is put an extension pipe on it. I guarantee you that nut is well torqued over 150 foot-pounds. And now let's see if there's any damage to the wheel and to the lug nut. The lug stretches the lug nuts pretty much. We already had this other one off over here, and there was metal shards all over it. We're fortunate on this one, it doesn't have any metal shards on it. So I'm going to put an 85-pound audible torque wrench on it. Tighten it back up. Pardon my numb fingers. That's 85 foot-pounds. That's where it's supposed to be. Let's see if this other one will come off with the torque wrench. Yeah, this one's okay. Okay. So let's re-torque it.